Mia Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif Saab is declared to have been elected as the Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
The current political turmoil in Pakistan is taking its toll on stability of the country.
न्यूट्रल बनने की अल्लाह ने हमें इजाजत नहीं दी।
शख्स जिससे ये बेफैज हुआ वो धड़ाम से हुकूमत जमीन।
न्यूट्रल सिर्फ जानवर होते हैं।
Some political leaders and journalists are carrying out undue criticism of state institutions as highlighted in Express Tribune editorial.
ISPR के मुताबिक चंद सियासी रहनुमा, सहाफी और तज्जियाकार अवामी फोरम
Pakistan Army vehemently defend its honor and has a consistent stance on this issue. This stance is clearly highlighted in the editorial of Pakistan Today.
अवाम और सियासी पार्टियों से ये दरख्वास्त है कि फौज को सियासत में मत घसीटें, हम इससे बाहर रहना चाहते हैं।
DGISPR repeatedly stressed on a political role of Pakistan's armed forces. He even invited journalists to bring forth any evidence of involvement of Pakistan Army in political affairs. This issue has been appropriately highlighted in Pakistan Observer's editorial. Pakistan Army's repeated denial of involvement in political affairs must end dragging of the army in the ongoing political discourse.